Okay, you have the nerve to send those rascals to intimidate me and my family for how many? Oh, don't worry. Well, what you're doing now, I will teach you a lesson. Okay? I will show you that you're not. Rubbish man. Stupid man. I will teach you a lesson. So you are scared. You are scared. But you were not scared when you sent those rascals to come and disrupt my father's peace. I will teach you a lesson in this village. Okay, because my father doesn't have a son. That's why you people are trying to intimidate us in this village. It will not work. Okay, why are you running now? Why are you running? I don't even know you can be scared. Why did you feel me? I will be here till you come. Idiot. Could share everywhere. Weekend. Okay, now I so I tell no one here to Ghanaian. I would have sent you to your early grave, idiot. But let me wait for him small. That's why you're film now. Go put it on him.
Your sweet and delicious mama.
Why don't I know they come out for that market again?
Oh, what? This man, you know what's happening. I've been a story different.
Oga, did you call us here to buy market or what? I want to know.
Why on a blood they hot like this? I've been a me put fire on a shop. I better give me 2 more make a shop.
I take now. How many you want first?
2. Wow! This momo is so delicious.
You can say that again.
Thank you.
This momo feels sweet past all now.
What did you just say?
Huh? I said this momo feels sweet past all now. Have you never tasted some?
This momo feels sweet past you.
All now.
Look at this boy! Look at this boy! Don't worry.
What's happening?
I will still catch him and beat him from where I stopped. Don't worry. Olana, where?
Why are you behaving like a child? How can you change our custom away because of Olana?
I will never take insult from whosoever that is against Olana. Not even you. I will not even you. If you're against Olana, I will still deal with you.
They play. Let's go and shop more.
Your father, they play. Okay, let's show.
Olana no dey smile again. If he do me, I do you. She no send you. If he cross her lane, you collect water. It shock you. Na condition make her feel.
Yes, I'm back, Papa.
You almost gave me a heart attack. I thought something bad had happened to you.
Nothing will happen to me, Papa. Nothing.
How long has this been going on, Papa?
Has what been going on?
The rascals extorting from you all in the name of tax. How long, Papa? I am sure these are the same people that stole Mama's expensive jewelries and Hollandis.
Yes.
And you kept mute all this while. Why did you choose to die in silence, Papa? I would have killed all of them and why have you decided to die in silence when you have somebody like me, Papa? Why?
My daughter, you have been going through a lot of problems. You've had a lot of problems this while. I was only thinking that I shouldn't overload you with mine. But please, I am sorry for not telling you.
It's okay. It's okay, Papa. But I want to assure you one thing. No man born of a woman or any woman born of a woman will ever intimidate you again. Not on my watch. That will not happen again. I need to know everything happening around you. Please, keep me informed, Papa.
My daughter, you are just like your mother. She was as strong as a lioness.
Don't talk about her, Papa. If you talk about her, you will make me emotional. And emotions is for the weak. Enough is enough.
Open this car! Open it! Open! Yes. I want to see someone inside this car. Open the car.
You want to see the person?
Yes! Yes. Let her come out.
I would have asked why you are aggressively knocking against my car. But I just remembered that you don't have a car, let alone having a car as expensive as mine.
I am not here to talk about your car. I am here to ask you to give me the money for everything that Olanna vandalized in my bar. Yes.
I don't understand. How does that concern me?
I don't know how she got to know my involvement in this whole matter. And she came to my bar, vandalized everything, breaking all my bottles of drink and glasses.
That is none of my business.
It concerns you, Obasanogi. Yes. I am putting it to your face that you are the one that is responsible for everything that happened. You had it all planned. If not, how come she did not attack you? Tell me.
I know you are a primitive, worthless village man, but I never imagined that you could be this clueless. What made you think that I have a hand in whatever you are going through?
I am not insinuating. I am saying to you that you are the one that exposed me in this whole thing. And you are not going anywhere today until you pay me every single money for all that she damaged in my bar, or I will expose you in this village.
You will expose me. Do you know who I am? Do you have an idea of who I am? It's only a foolish man that dips his two hands inside a hole, inquisitive of what is inside. But a wise man will set fire beside the hole, waiting patiently for whatever that's inside that hole to come out.
I don't understand you. What are you saying?
What I am saying is you have dipped your two bare hands inside a snake hole, and you will not escape its venom. Emenike, I need you to tutor this man on how to talk to royalties.
Leave you, I don't have anything to do with you. Leave you in the door. Leave you in the door.
get the door.
Come.
Uncle, hey, come back here. Oh yeah, inside. Uncle, you know. Let's say uncle, you know.
I know you're sad. I know you're not pleased to see me again. But I've come to tell you that I'm sorry about everything I did. I was engulfed in the situation. You see, in the course of investigation, I was able to see a seer who told me exactly everything that transpired between you and your sister. He revealed everything to me. I am sorry, please. From the bottom of my heart, I am deeply sorry.
He did. My sister really dealt with me. And that's because of the undiluted love I have for her and my son. That's the only reason I tolerated her for such a long time. She treated me like a slave, but it's all in the past now. And you, how could you? How could you? You threw us out for predators to devour us. Even if you don't care about me, how about my son? Did he also do something wrong? I never met that man from Adams. And you of all people would have made excuses for me, knowing fully well my sister is doing everything possible to chase me out of the house. Anna, ije love, you couldn't run a big. It's alright, no problem.
Listen, I know you did everything you did because you were scared of revealing whatever you guys did.
Yes, we took a blood oath. I swore never to reveal the real truth.
And I'm aware. Listen, but can I tell you that the oath was actually meant to threaten you? Yes! Even if you had gone ahead to spill the truth, there's nothing that's going to happen to you. I am telling you that I know the story from the bottom of it till the top of it, till the date we're standing here.
If I had revealed the truth, I wouldn't have died.
You will not die. It was one of her acts, one of her evil ways to shred and cover her dealings.
She make it. Now you have fake oath.
It is.
This girl are going to come in different ways. I don't know what I've done to Zarachi. Eh? She's been so mean to me. Still mean to me. For no reason. And I love her. I love her so much. I love her.
All I know. Life has not been the same. Ever since you left my house, life has really not been the same. You know, something impacted the moment you left my house.
Yeah.
And I wish to use this medium to let you know that I can't go on this life without you. Please, all I know. Life is incomplete. I can't live this life without you. Please come with me. I would like to make you the queen of Ndiago Kingdom.
Listen,
Please.
you want to make who the queen? Nah, my sister, are you mad? No matter what Zirachi have done, she's my blood sister. I would not and I would never have anything to do with you. Hey, shut up and leave. Let's go. I called you name is Let's go. Asana, Biko. Please leave. I don't want to be violent. If I go inside and come out, a man like yeah. If I go inside and come out, you don't like it. Please leave. I am not. I said leave, please leave. I mean, see, I don't want to be disrespectful. Oga, please move. Out! Oga, out! Biko. Out! Out! Don't come here next time to tell me nonsense. What do you know about love? You know about love and you throw I and my son to the streets for predators to devour us. In a love. You lack humanity. You need to love. Rubbish.
What's going on?
Father.
I just heard you shouting.
No, I was joking with one of my friends. I was joking, it's just a joke. Eh? Yes, it's just a joke. Rafa, it's a lie. Shut up. Who asked you?
Will you stop harassing?
Oh, yeah, come. Don't say what speech you won't ask you. Nanya, you know mommy loves you. Oh, Father, don't worry, I'm fine. Hey, Father, let me help you and break that firewood. Come. I just assume maybe something.
Please.
Stupid people everywhere.
What is the update?
The prince was seen driving into Mr. Hajini's compound, but he was chased by Olanna with a gun.
What did Prince Meremeze of Ndako Kingdom go to do at Olanna's compound?
From my investigations, he went there to beg her to marry him. Yes.
That will be over my dead body. Over my dead body. Obiora, you have done well. But I need you to do me one last favor.
When as much as money is involved, consider it done.
I will pay you the sum of 500,000 naira for you to burn, set ablaze Mr. Hyginus, Olanna, and Afamifuna.
You know what?
You will stand there and make sure that none of them makes it out alive. Burn it down.
Sarachi, you know what I can do once money is involved? Even if it's the whole community, I will do that. Consider it done.
You will get your balance when the job is done.
It's alright.
All I know they smile again. If you do me, I do you.
Hey! Come! If you move this back, I'll move. Stop it!
Ichiru, what is wrong with you? Wait. Do you want us to do your funeral? What is it now? I wouldn't want to kill you, Makeba, my guy. What is it? What is your problem?
Olanna, I should be asking you this question. What is the problem? This is not the Olanna that I know. What changed you?
A lot changed me. Something happened to me, and I realized that the only way to survive in this village is to bring back the old me I buried long time ago. Nobody will intimidate me again now. I won't let that happen. So what is it? Because I know what for.
Olanna, whatsoever it is, you know you can confide in me. Talk to me.
Please, let's go.
I will make a mend down for you.
Make you mend who? Mama? Mend me. You, Kosi Sochuku. I remember when you were small, wearing pampers, running around the whole village. And now you think you've grown, that you would want to mend me. Let me tell you, go home and mend your grandfather, idiot. Anyway, I am not even here because of you. Eh? I'm not here for you. Olanna, get even here, man. The news has been going around the whole village that Prince Meremeze of Ndako Kingdom came to your compound to ask for your hand in marriage. I am here to know why you would want to leave me and go to that pompous prince. Why?
Kenayidala. No, is there something wrong with you? Are you mad? How dare you stop me to spill such gibberish that you're saying? Is it because you're my friend? I'll just blow off your skull. See, don't you ever in your miserable life stop me to discuss such nonsense. No, idiot.
You pointed this gun at me.
You're lucky I didn't kill you.
You pointed this gun at me.
Guy, but I go to door. Idiot.
Even never Mama no why neck. Hey! I neck a rig election over Danny. I neck a rig election over Danny. It's okay. I must get to the practice. I'm gonna be a minute.
See, I don't lock the place, you no go come out here. You don't fit, I don't chain now. See, within 2 seconds, I don't burn this house. Go inside! 1, 2, go inside! You will die here!
Jesus!
Come on, let me see you! All of them you will see. You see, all of them go die there. You go die for that place. I don't chain out. No movement for nothing. All of them go die. They don't pay me and I don't chop the money. But I go die. You will never now. You will die. All of you will die now. Who died now? Who said no?
Idiot! Who died? I'll burn you alive! Stop talking! Who asked you to come? I don't know! No! Wait! Who asked you to come and kill us? My baby! Who asked you to come and kill us? Please! Who asked you to come and kill us? Please! Stop talking! Please! Don't go stop today! Stop! Don't stand up! Don't! Stop talking! Idiot! You die first before us. Now stand up. Stop talking! Who asked you to do this to us?
Papa, oh Papa.
Papa! Afana! You are burning our house. I will burn you first. I will burn you first. Afana! Come on, go and get me water. Check if there's water inside that bucket. Go and check it. Hey! Mommy! Grandpa! Come and see you! What is it? He's dead! Jesus! So he would rather die than confess who sent him.
See, my daughter, this is more serious than we think. Hey!
Our enemy is really close. We have to be careful. Whoever that is doing this to us is not far from us.
I agree with you.
You okay, no?
Welcome, the Prince of the Jungle. Yes, it is my pleasure to finally meet you. I don't know what I did to your daughter, Interaction. She refused to introduce both of us. And she has also forgotten that she has a father in the village. Whatever I did to her, I don't know, but she has refused to forgive me.
Prince, I want to ask you something. Auntie, God design. Don't you listen? Your ears, are they for fancy? I remember vividly telling you the last time you came to this place never to step your feet into this compound, but you wouldn't listen. In case you don't know, the last time you came, the rumor was all over the place that you came to ask for my hand in marriage. Now you're here again. When you leave, they'll start saying you have come for introduction. Now, I don't want it. Stay away from me. Stay away from this family. Biko. Biko.
I remember the last time I came here. I came here to apologize to you about what happened in my place. I said I'm sorry about whatever happened in the past. Listen, I came here immediately I heard what happened. And leaving you here is leaving you under risk.
You mean that hoodlum? I don't know why he chose to die instead of revealing the identity of who sent him. The vigilantes have taken him away. May his soul rest in peace.
Oh, Nana, I suppose you should be concerned and worried about the safety of your family. Oh, Nana, it's like you don't even understand what is on ground. Oh, Nana, if I leave you here, you are putting your entire family under risk. You're leaving yourself under risk. You're putting your father under risk. You're putting Afamefuna under risk. See, these hoodlums, you know how they operate. They have their guns and they want to take their revenge on people. You need to listen to me. Prior to my coming here, I had already made an arrangement with a friend that owned an uncompleted building somewhere. Though it's furnished, but it's a place you guys can move in for the meantime. Then subsequently, we then find a way forward.
I believe you. You're right. But the question is, where do we go to? Where do we go to? We don't have any other place apart from this.
That is what I am saying. I had made an arrangement before this moment.
The same you that chased us out of the house.
Honor, please listen to me. I have said this before. I am sorry. I meant well. Please forgive me. My daughter, I think you did me as well. I all have to stay alive to achieve our dreams. I suggest you listen to me.
Now, don't touch me. I'll give you here. Bob the bad luck. Guy, come. What is it?
None of you touched the food. Do you want to starve yourselves to death?
Death? Mom, what's the difference between death and locked up here like condemned criminals? Mom, is it fair?
I forbid you to talk about death again.
Mom, we need our freedom. Exactly, Mom. I'm tired of staying here all the time. Just give it to us.
I know you are tired of being in here. I am your mother, and I'm not happy myself. But I have tried to talk to your father. I've talked to him severally. He's angry. He is angry at you guys for spoiling a deal worth millions of dollars for him.
I'm very innocent. It was the both of them.
You know, shut up your mouth. Shut up!
Does it matter now? It doesn't matter who is innocent and who is not innocent. What matters now is that you should please eat your food. I am very sure your father will come around soon. Please.
Mommy, we are not hungry. Stop bringing us food.
You're not hungry too.
Mommy, I'm very hungry. If possible, add your own portion and join me. Are you serious?
Yes, seriously.
Chloe.
Mommy, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me.
Ethan, please.
Your food is very sweet.
Please, I am pleading.
I'll eat your meat. I'll do it for your sake, but it's only the meat.
This is the place. Eh? This is a new house and I hope you like it. I hope you like it.
Who wouldn't? I love it.
Afam, this is a new home as well.
It's beautiful.
Regarding your property, I had already arranged for a haulage company that will convey your properties later in the day and it will be moved into the new place.
Wow. Thank you so much, my son.
Don't mention, please.
This place is even better. Let those people live for small.
Afam, I'm glad you like the place as well.
I want to appreciate you for this tremendous help. God bless you. God bless you.
I mean, you don't have to thank me. Whatever I'm doing it because I'm supposed to do so. And more so, lest I forget, sir, I'll be leaving you here alone while I move with them to my own place.
Really?
They are going back with me to my own house. Please, will you give me that look?
Please, can we see the house?
Oh yeah, that's true. I have some food stuff here already. Let's go check the kitchen and you see. So in case you might have to leave other things that you won't be needing in the other house. Then there's also a borehole. Wow. There's actually a borehole the other side. Yeah.
I haven't heard any news from Obiora. Neither have I heard about the painful demise of Olana, her father, and the miserable son.
Well, that's because they are all still alive. Except for Obiora, who is dead now.
That is not possible. What happened?
Yeah, it's possible. You see, Obiora he succeeded in setting the house ablaze, putting the house on fire. But somehow Olana was able to boggle the locks and run after Obiora. Long story cut short, Obiora had to take his own life rather than expose the person who was behind the attack.
That is the best thing he has ever done in his miserable life. Had even he exposed me, I would have killed him myself. And he knows it would have been so painful and slow.
Well, that's not all. Prince Meremeze bought Olana's father a house. And then I heard he has taken Olana and her son to his kingdom to perform the marriage rites.
What did you just say?
I said that, Prince Meremeze.
If you finish that sentence, I will rip out your thong from its root and I will give it to you to feed on. Olana. I have underestimated you, but that is the mistake I will never do again.
Come in, please. Paul, sweet Paul.
This hasn't changed.
The only difference is here you have enough peace. No more troubles of life. I will make you the happiest queen Ndiako Kingdom has ever experienced. Come on, let me show you around. Let me take you to your bedroom, the master's bedroom. I hope you're happy to be here. Okay, I like it. Now, go the other way. Just take the other way. You'll see the balcony. You can look around. Come on, let me help you.
Don't worry.
Oh, don't worry, man. Come on. Let me take you around.
Why have you planned destroying all our plans? You swear you tried destroying all our efforts. Why, Alicia?
What did I do again?
Well, why did you eat the food we planned not to eat? Why did you?
Because I was hungry and I couldn't pretend for too long. If I say my mind now, it will go to the history that I am disrespecting my elder sister.
Excuse me?
This girl,
she's so stupid. Wait.
Yes! She's unintelligent. I hope you're not talking to me.
That's not true. You're too harsh.
I'm just saying my mind. Alicia, how do you expect mom to persuade dad to changing our school? I am tired of fighting. We have done so much mischievous things and it keeps on ending us in trouble, which I am tired of. I dislike Dad because he hates us.
No, don't say that. Okay? Dad doesn't hate us. He loves us. The reason he's being hard on us is because he thinks we're not old enough to take care of ourselves.
Exactly. Dad loves us.
I have one more plan.
Let me quickly call the prince and tell you. Oh, no, that won't be necessary. I actually came to see you. He was burdened by guilt. I was so scared to come ask you for forgiveness. I was the one who encouraged him to do so. See, I never liked your sister from the onset. I never did. I thank the gods that they managed to avoid. Well, at first, I didn't want to accept, but on the second thought, I said to myself, your brother is a good man. He was just blinded by the love he had for his sister. You know what happens? It's the fact that you treat that woman like your own, knowing full well that was ours. Everything is not so. Though I didn't give birth to him, it is my little nephew. I have always seen him as my son since the day he was born. And my son will always be happy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for being girl, my son. Thank you. I know you're going to make a good for the same thing your brother keeps saying. You know this one, yeah? I don't know. Okay, please, what do I have for you? Thank you. You don't need to go by yourself. I bought this maid from your house to help you do all the chores in the house. So you don't have to stress yourself. This is too much, my princess. I really do appreciate your concern. I have done everything. I've mopped, I've cooked. Don't worry. The little ones will do it for you. Maids! Yes, my princess. Let's go to the kitchen. Get something to do, wash the dishes, clean everywhere. And once you're done, come back, I'll give you money to go to the market and get food stuff for that. Okay, my princess. Everything is If I need anything, I'll send it.
This is what I have been talking about. See, today's komo, there is no more salt in it. There is no more salt in today's komo. Look, everything answers present to normal proportion. I tell you.
Hey, see, just eat this pomo and pay me. I don't have time for all this your long talk. Just eat and pay me.
See, is it because Olanna is leaving this village? That is the reason why you can now relax and cook your pomo and season it very well. Huh? Is it because she's leaving?
What are you talking about?
Are you not in this village? Huh? Everybody in this village knows that after the fire incident which happened at Olanna's father's house, Prince of Ndako Kingdom came and bought him a new house near Igwe's palace. I even went there to congratulate Mr. Hyginus. And there I saw Olanna and Afamefuna packing their things to leave for his kingdom. I tell you, I saw them with my 2 eyes. Are you surprised? My brother, God is God. Anything can happen.
You saw who?
You saw who? You want to fight me again?
You saw who?
You still want to fight me?
Who did you see?
Relax now. You want to fight me again?
You saw who?
Come and take your money now.
Hey!
Come and take your money now.
Which money? Hold on, Amo.
This young man, you don't know that God is God. Anything can happen. God is God.
Hey, sweetheart. Food is ready. Food is ready.
Baby.
My children! My children!
Where are my children?
They left through the bathroom window. They are nowhere to be found. My children! My children!
Where are my children?
Did you say your children? No. So they are now your children. But before now, they were only my children. Lucas, I begged you. I pleaded with you to let them out of their room. But no, you insisted on locking them up here. Now my children are nowhere to be found. Thank you. Thank you, Lucas.
And where are you going?
I am going to look for my children. And if I go out there without coming home with my children safe and sound, I promise you, I will not forgive you.
Papa, I need to apologize before seeing this. Yes, I need to apologize. But you know you are senseless. You know you are senseless. How can you be thinking of somebody who doesn't even like, who doesn't even think about you? You did not even tell her your feelings because she was leaving this village. You are here angry because another man who is smarter than you took over her. You're yourself. You'd have been grateful that the priest did not send that beat you restless. Yeah, here, think.
You see, I wanted
What you wanted to what? No, you wanted to what? You wanted to go and sell Pomo there. Okay, look at your yesterday Pomo now. Oh, baby, it has spoiled because you don't remember to warm it. Look at me now, I am hungry. You don't have money to buy food. You never had church. Anyway, I brought you your drink because I know anytime you're angry and you take your drink, it makes you better feel. You know what?
Thank you, my son.
I will come.
I'm over there. Thank you.
No, I think it can bring you to this world, into your own house to suffer. I will not suffer it alone, you will suffer it. Nonsense. You didn't even know I sieved your pepper water. Carry it and pour it to your drink because I know it's the same one. Go and walk like this. You need to drink me.
Good afternoon, beautiful queen of India Kingdom. So what do I owe this royal invitation?
I'm glad you addressed me properly. At least, it has saved us some precious time. The coronation stroke traditional marriage will be taking place in a few days' time.
That's correct.
And your father, who happens to be one of the best wine tappers in this village, will be the one to supply palm wine on the day of the ceremony.
That's correct, my queen.
Good. I called you here because I want you to go to your father. Persuade him to poison the palm wine.
What? You mean you want to poison the wine and kill the prince, his bride, and everyone that will sip from it?
Exactly.
I cannot do it. My conscience will not allow me. Besides, if I'm caught in the act, my family and I will be stoned alive.
Your mother is critically ill in the hospital. Neither you or your father have raised any money for her heart surgery. I will give you the sum of 1 million naira. Take part of it for her treatment, then use the rest to locate to the city where no one will trace it of you. So tell me, young lady, what is it going to be?
1 million. 1 million naira.
You heard me.
My queen, I'm in.
Good girl. Now, I need you to find a way.
Alright, thank you, DPO. Please, I beg you, keep me updated. Thank you.
What did he say?
Well, they haven't found them, but they are seriously searching. Let's be optimistic. I'm sure very soon something positive will come up.
But my own is finished. Honey, it is official that our children are missing. Maybe they have been kidnapped. Or maybe a ritualist have taken my children.
Enough, babes. Honestly, we need to be optimistic and keep hopes alive. Let's hope that something comes up really soon.
You just heard the DPO. He said he's going to get back to me as soon as they find them. Please.
What nonsense hope are you keeping alive? It is all your fault.
Babe, I need you to calm down, okay? This is not time for us to start shifting blames. Please, relax.
Oh, Lucas. I will continue to blame you. I will always blame you, Lucas. I talked to you. I spoke to you like a wife would to her husband. I begged you. I told you that you were being too harsh on those children, but no, you didn't listen to me. Now you have succeeded. You have chased your own children out of your house because of a deal you lost. I will say this again. And I am very serious with what I am telling you right now. Mr. Lucas, if I do not find my children, I will not forgive you. I promise you.
So I'm supposed to spare the rod and spoil the children.
Where is your shelter now? Release your miracle. Don't let the tears of the innocent rain down in vain. Open the windows of heaven.
Is there a particular reason why the SMO is not here yet?
Not really, my prince. SMO will soon be here while we wait for your wife to step out.
But boy, the SMO is where, and before the arrival of your wife, SMO must be.
That's fantastic. What about the benevolent Mama the jelly mascot?
They are all on their way coming.
Because I need the jelly one or what today because my distant cousin Flavor on Adiapo.
Oh yeah, man. Hey, Flavor
Don't worry. What is that? They said they need to drink now. Okay, the drinks. Okay, don't worry. Somebody will break them. Just organize things. Make sure things are going very well. Okay. Okay. Please make sure you satisfy everybody. Okay. Be fast. Hurry up. People are waiting.
You are
a good man.
Long live the king.
Mazi.
Oh yeah.
now. It's already late. The head has been chopped off. I can't be crying because Prince has married the love of your life. No need to worry. The marriage has already taken place. So what you need now is to drink water and relax. Face your business. Let's go and set Momo. There's no money in this house. Because let's go. You're not saying anything.
How are you doing, brother?
Is this you?
I thought I was not going to see you again.
Hey, no, brother. You're welcome.
Very well.
This is my son, Nefeti.
Oh.
Nefeti, meet your uncle, my brother.
My uncle?
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
Nefeti, how are you doing?
Papa, you didn't tell me I have an uncle like this. And we are selling.
Shut that your nonsense, man, before I shut it for you. There's no time for this. Someone is about getting married to the love of my life. I want us to go there before it's too late.
Love of your life?
Help your brother.
Is it possible?
Oh.
No, it's not possible. Let's go there right away.
Right away!
Let's go there!
Right away!
Stay back, Nefechi.
Let's go where?
We'll be back before.
You know what, yeah? Stay back!
Let's go.
Hey! Help your brother!
Open the door for me, so I don't
Why
want to
not?
go.
Go and sell the mama and don't touch the money. Mama!
You need to move.
Move where?
Hi.
My daughter, today is a very special day. You will take this drink and you will locate that man after your heart. You give it to him, then the world will know that you have chosen a special man.
Good news!
Hey, Jesus.
Hey!
Jesus.
What?
Neto, you are back.
What's happening here? Olana!
Neto Chuku!
Olana, what's happening here? Olana! No! Neto, why are you calling Olana? Why shout her name? Now tell me why you're calling her name. Eh?
Wait! Just wait, please, wait, don't go.
Gonna be careful. Hey. There's a more someone.
This is what you get for refusing to come to the palace. So I can take care of your health.
Listen, can't you see? I'm not doing bad. Sirachi is doing very good, man. Can't you see I'm fast recuperating? Just stop.
I can see. The one person who left everything to focus on her own personal life. Please keep your leg for me.
Oh, no, come on. You don't have to sound that way. Stop it. Not again now.
When? No, tell me, when? You know I don't like that girl. I hate her. Everything about her doesn't sit well with me.
I forbid you! I forbid you from sounding that way. How dare you sound derogatory regarding a woman I want to end my life with? Listen, what my dad must say is that I'm happy with her. That's the most important thing here, and not what you're saying.
Oh, please, save me the pretense. Save me the pretense. You and I know that all is not well. So why are you acting like it is? The throne has been vacant for how long? And when they tell you about it, what do you say? You are not psychologically okay for it. How can you be psychologically okay when you choose to stay in a rented apartment, leave your home, the palace? You roam around like a commoner. You refuse all your royal guards. For what?
If you don't desist from sounding the way you're sounding right away, I would show you the door.
It's fine. All I'm trying to say is, just do something that will make our late parents proud. That's my point.